Hello guys, welcome back to Appendix Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Block. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So now let's open the terminal. So first we just type here sudo su, enter your password, then later we just type here net discover minus I equals 0. So I have identified my target mission is here. Now just type here as Nmap minus 34 minus A as an aggressive scan and enter our targeted IP address. So now I have got the Nmap result. One is available with SSH, another one is available with port 8. Let's visit to the targeted IP address. 192.168.18.187. So it's pinging quite interesting. Okay, let's come back here. First, let's go with the Gobuster with the HTTP. Enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.187. So I just copy this one. Now you just enter here. Now you just type here as nicto minus h. Then I just paste here. Now in this case we not get anything else. So now I would like to go with as Gobuster directory minus u. Then we just paste here. Then word list is user share word list, then directory Gobuster, then directory list 2.3 medium.txt. That's it. So I have got a quite interesting here is my web block. So let's come back here, paste here as this my web block. Here is similar like a blocker. Now let's we would like to look here as first in the view page source. Okay, so you have selected something over there. Okay, now we would like to look at the view page source. Where is this a Nibbleblog? Let me just look this in the exploit DB. So it's like a arbitrary file upload to a Metasploit, then multiple SQL injections with this. So it's the exploit like a once you upload any PHP files, it will automatically convert into the PHP image.php files. We would like to look here in the new notepad. Now let's come back here where we not get anything else. So here also we not get any useful information. So let me just type here as clear. Now it's quite interesting here. Now let's come back here. Where is this? This is the block. So you just entirely just copy, come back here. Now let me just quit here. Let me just type here as clear. You just type here as Gobuster. Then let's just paste here. Now in this case where I have find a admin and admin.php, just copy this one, come back. In this case let just paste here. So we just need to try to crack this password. We can look here Nibbleblog up to 4.0.4 my image plugin image.php unrestricted upload, current exploit price $5,000. It's quite interesting. We would like to exploit this one. Now let's come back. We would like to try to utilize let it consider as admin try to login. It's invalid passwords. Okay, incorrect. Okay, no need to worry. Let's just quit here. Now utilize here as a hydra minus l. Username is admin, password is password.txt. I would like to utilize the rocky.txt. That will take more than 3 hours to crack that password. Okay, so I have listed some of the password lists to from rocky.txt to in the password.txt file. Now, enter your target. Type address 192.168.18.187. Now I just put here as HTTP post form. Now you just need to get what is this one, just I just copy, just paste HTTP post form in the admin.php username equal to admin and password. We need to find only the password. It's quite interesting. Password. Then you just type here as incorrect. That's it. Now I just utilize -i. Then it will try to crack the password. So where you can see this is about is like a $5,000, but it is like a 10 years ago. And you can also find a CVE number also here. Where is this? It not displayed. CVE ID it not displayed here also. But quite interesting. Let's come back here. This page. So once we get the password, then we would like to try to log in here. So let's just try here as a admin. Now I have got the password is kisses. So just copy this one, come back and paste. Try to log in. Now I have logged in here successfully into the this case. Now where it want to look here. We not get anything else. In this case, Nibbleblog is a prone to a multiple SQL injection vulnerabilities because the application follows a properly sanitized user supply to input before using it a SQL query, a successful. So this is not going to be work out. Now the vulnerability is found in the Nibbleblog 4.04. It has been classified a critical affected for some unknown functionalities of the file contained with a private a plugin my plugin image.php for the component of my image.plugins. Okay, the manipulation with the unknown input leads as a unrestricted upload. Okay, now we would like to look here in the plugins my image. In this case we would like to try to upload the PHP version. That's it. Now where let me just come back here. I just utilize here as a mousepad arshell.php. So in this case a PHP. So I have set up my PHP reversion. It's quite interesting here. You just put here as ifconfig. So I have very clear here. Now we would like to try to come back here. It will also allow you to upload a PHP reversion arshell.php. Now you try to change this. Changes has been saved successfully. Quite interesting here. Now what you would like to look here. Now we would like to try to follow this one. uh, from here, uh, images, image.php. That's it. From here. Now let's come back here. You just put here as http 192.168. My web blog. Admin.php. Now, in this case, a admin.php, then let me just paste this. I think Netcat minus LVNP 7890. This is the right way. No, but it's not getting here anything else. So let's we would like to look here as posters. Nothing else in the post. Okay, now let's we would like to come back and utilize this. I would like to utilize entirely this one. Okay, content with the private. Now if I try with this, so I cannot able to get. Now I would like to utilize here as curl minus s. Then let's go with as http enter what are it, IP address 192.168.18.187. Then my vblock admin.php. Oh, sorry. We don't want to utilize here as a admin.php. In this case, let's dashboard. Okay. Then let me just put here as content private with the plugins my image at image.php. That's it here. So where you have successfully get the reverse shell. You can look here, quite interesting. You just type ID, you have got it here. You just type here as which Python, you have got it here. Just type here as Python, let's see. Import as pdy, spam, bin bash. Where you just put here as a export tab equal to extra. Nice. Sorry. Export tab equal to extra. Now just type here as clear. Now I just type here as this minus here. Let me just go to here as home directory. Let me just type it as clear list minus here. C as a admin. Permission is denied. Sudo minus F. So user bin git to get this one. So we would like to walk to the GTFO bins. GTFO bins. Let it is git, right? We would like to go here as git. We would like to utilize here. So now let me just, I would like to write my own sudo minus u. Username is a admin. Git for the password for help and config. Now I just need to write here as a bin bash. That's it. So I have successfully came to an as admin. Now I just write here as a admin. Now go here as a admin. Quite interesting. You just type plus minus a. You read cat a user.txt. Quite interesting. Now we have read the user.txt file. Now later you just type here as sudo minus l, where here is mcedit. Let's just copy. Now we would like to try to utilize here. Let's go back. I think no how. Uh, we now we would like to try to exploit this one. Now we would like to utilize here sudo mc edit. Now I would like to put here as in the alt F is like, let's just I would like to utilize here. Oh, sorry. I would like to try to let me just, if I try to put here as, no, it's quite difficult ways to come here. So how we would like to try to exploit this one.